general navigation of the LMV3 using the AZL. We'll press and hold the F and A keys together until code is displayed. Use the plus button to enter in the password. The service level password is going to be the national board number of the boiler. Once you reach the first digit, press enter, and then use the plus button to get to the second digit, enter, and continue until the entire national board number is entered. Once the last digit's entered, press enter again, and this will bring you into the main parameter menu. Using the plus and minus buttons, we can navigate up and down. The first level, the 000, these are your parameter backups, restore, and different passwords. The 100 level is the general information, Modbus configuration, and other timings for the boiler. The 200 level parameters are your settings specific to the primary fuel for the boiler. After the 200s would be the 300 parameter set on a dual fuel boiler. This application is only single fuel. The 400 parameter would be next. 400 is your air to fuel ratio and your combustion curve. 500s are your timings and rates, special positions, ramp rates, and VFD speed shift. The 600 parameter set has to do with the actuators and the VFD configuration. 700s are your fault history, and 900s are the operational data, run hours, cycles, flame signal, and such. To enter into any of the parameters, simply hit the enter key, and it will move you into the 100 parameter set. We can use a plus button to cycle through any of the parameters as needed. To enter into any of the parameters, we can press the enter button, and this will give you the ability to manipulate the set point. By hitting the plus and minus button, it'll bring you back out to the 100s. By pressing it again, it'll move you out into the main menu. To escape from here, the plus and minus buttons again will move you back out to the home screen of the boiler.